Ever wonder what it takes to bring a massive truck engine to life? It's not just about bolting big parts together. It's a symphony of precision, where a single mistake, smaller than a human hair, could mean catastrophic failure on the road. Today, we are diving deep into the world of truck engine assembly, uncovering the techniques that demand absolute, mind-blowing precision. Let's start with the heart of the engine, the crankshaft. This beast of a component has to be perfectly balanced. We are talking about dynamic balancing, where the shaft is spun at high speeds while sensors detect the tiniest imbalances. Technicians then drill microscopic holes or add counterweights, measured in grams, to make it spin with perfect smoothness. An unbalanced crank would vibrate so violently it could literally tear the engine apart from the inside. Next up, the pistons and connecting rods. You might think they're all identical, but they're not. Each set is weight matched. Technicians weigh each piston and rod down to a fraction of a gram. Then, they assemble them into sets where the total weight is nearly identical. This ensures that as the engine roars to life, the forces are evenly distributed, preventing stress and ensuring a smooth, powerful ride for hundreds of thousands of miles. It's like a high-stakes balancing act happening thousands of times per minute. Now, let's talk about clearances. The space between moving parts, like the piston rings, and the cylinder wall, or the bearings and the crankshaft journals, is critically important. These gaps are measured in 10,000ths of an inch. That's thinner than a sheet of paper. Technicians use tools like plastigauge or micrometers to measure these clearances with incredible accuracy. Too tight, and the parts will seize up from heat and friction. Too loose, and you lose oil pressure and compression, robbing the engine of its power. It's a delicate dance between friction and function. Another area of insane precision is torque. Every single bolt on a truck engine has a specific torque value and a tightening sequence. This isn't just about making them tight enough. It is about applying a precise amount of clamping force to ensure a perfect seal without distorting the components. For critical parts like cylinder heads, technicians use a method called torque to yield. They tighten the bolt to a specific torque, then turn it an additional number of degrees. This stretches the bolt slightly, turning it into a perfectly tensioned spring that maintains its clamping force through countless heat cycles. One wrong move, one bolt out of sequence, and you could end up with a blown head gasket, a major and costly repair. Then there's the camshaft and valve timing. This is what orchestrates the engine's breathing. The camshaft lobes have to be perfectly ground to open and close the intake and exhaust valves at the exact right moment in the piston cycle. We're talking about timing that's accurate to a single degree of crankshaft rotation. A timing gear that's off by just one tooth can lead to pistons colliding with valves, resulting in a completely destroyed engine. Technicians use degree wheels and dial indicators to verify the timing is spot on, ensuring every combustion event is perfectly synchronized for maximum power and efficiency. Let's not forget the fuel injectors. Modern common rail diesel injectors are marvels of engineering. They spray fuel into the cylinder at pressures exceeding 30,000 psi, and they do it in multiple, precisely timed microbursts during a single combustion stroke. The nozzle holes are microscopic, and the timing is controlled by the engine's computer down to the microsecond. This level of precision is what allows modern trucks to be so powerful, yet also more fuel efficient and cleaner burning than ever before. Assembling and calibrating these systems requires specialized, ultra-clean environments to prevent even a speck of dust from clogging the works. Finally, cleanliness is not just a virtue in engine assembly, it's a rule of survival. The entire assembly process takes place in a controlled, almost clinically clean environment. Every part is meticulously cleaned and inspected before it's installed. A single grain of sand left in an oil passage can act like a grinding compound, destroying bearings and journals in no time. Technicians use special lint-free cloths and filtered air to ensure no contaminants make their way into the engine's delicate internals. From weight-matching pistons to torquing bolts by degrees and timing valves to the microsecond, building a truck engine is a masterclass in precision engineering. It's a testament to the skill and dedication of the technicians who understand that in this world, a thousandth of an inch can make all the difference between a million miles of reliable service and a complete disaster. It's not just metal, it's a mechanical masterpiece built with absolute precision. Thanks for watching. If you found this look inside a truck engine fascinating, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of incredible machines. See you in the next one.